Hi, I'm Ethan, Big Sky Robotics Club President and one of our design leads this season. We built what we feel is a pretty cool bot for 2025 Rescape, but we couldn't have done it without the help of one of our premier sponsors, AndyMark. We used AndyMark components on many spots on this year's robot, so I'm excited to detail where we used them and our experiences building with them this year.
Hi, I'm William Hancock, Fab Lead and the lead driver for BSR, and I'd love to tell you just how incredible AndyMark's churro and aluminum hex spacer stock is. First off, they're both made out of 6061 aluminum, which is incredibly easy to cut, especially the churro. Once we took it off of the horizontal bandsaw, I was able to throw it in a vise, and with a 1/4-20 tap, I was able to thread it and throw it right on the robot. We even used the churro to mount our motors, which are under an incredible amount of stress and torque and torsion. We used 4 of them here on top of our gearbox, and they have held up incredibly well. Speaking of the gearbox, I'm gonna hand it over to Ethan to tell you more.
Those gearboxes, by the way, are also an AndyMark product, the 57 Sport gearbox. These things are awesome. We used them with Neos this year, and there are a ton of ratio options for you to use in your design. We used a combination of the 100-to-1s in our arm gearbox and the 48-to-1s in our intake gearbox. Additionally, there's a lot of flexibility and versatility with mounting with the holes on the top, as you can see that we used here. We really love these gearboxes and we recommend them to use in your design. Moving back over to the intake, one of the most important things in FRC is being able to manipulate your game pieces well, and these AndyMark contraption stars allow us to do just that. There's a variety of different durometers available, and the mix we used in this design allows us to intake both algae and coral with one design, giving us a ton of flexibility. And that's not all. We also use these AndyMark flex wheels and sushi rollers in our end effector, which allow us to grip onto the coral and place it on all levels of the reef.
This is Liam White from BSR, and I just want to give a big thank you to AndyMark for sponsoring this, quite frankly, amazing robot. We can't do things like this without our amazing sponsors, and AndyMark is currently our biggest. They send us so much stuff. It's just the highest quality, it works amazing, and it helps us so greatly. And we want to give a huge thank you to them. And hopefully we get to continue to work with you guys more in the future. Thanks so much from BSR and me personally. See you guys next year.